What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody enjoyed their holiday weekend. I hope everybody had a great New Year's. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Black Appeal the Apple Guy. Today in this video, I just want to make a quick video on some comments that I was mentioning that people were a little confused with when it comes to using my X3 and using it in a vlogging sense when I'm using a wireless mic. So those of you that don't know, I've been using X3 for quite a while, and I did an unboxing of something called the frame from Smallrig. And what this allows me to do is it allows me to use my X3 as a normal vlogging camera, just like any other camera, like your smartphone, whatever. But people were wanting to know, does the microphone, or I'm sorry, does the wireless mic get stuck in the 360 when you're doing your videos? So when you're using this in a regular mode, like what you see now, I'm using this in what is known as a single lens mode. So when you're using the Me mode, I believe it uses a single lens mode, but you're not going to use the frame when you're doing that, because what happens is that the cold shoe mounts are faced kind of forward, not really linear in a sense. So you would use another accessory called the Ulanzi something, which I actually mentioned in that video. So if you're not familiar with what the B mode is and how that's utilized with the X3, I'll drop a link down below here or up in the corner there. But I was getting people who were commenting on, when you're doing vlogs, how do you keep the mic from being in the frame? So again, like I said, if you're using this in a normal vlogging sense, like what I'm doing now, you're simply using what is known as the single lens mode, which it's pretty simple to use, and I really won't go into too much detail on it, but it is an option that you can use when you're doing this. Now, if you're, again, doing this in the 360 mode, and you're using the microphone and you you're not using the Ulanzi, but using just a normal, like the frame, yes, it will show up in that because it's not really designed to be used in that sense. I think a lot of people were getting confused with that in my video because I just didn't really explain it. Just kind of did like a nighttime video on what it looked like doing it at night. But I just want to make sure people understand that when you're using the X3 in a single lens mode, like what you see here, I am using the frame, which is pretty much what I use all the time for my X3. I have my dual mics here. I have my receiver on one end and the mic on the other, and this is how you're able to see me doing this. And I'm doing this again in 4K at, I believe, 24 or maybe 30 frames, and I'm using 9:16, and I'm using this in a linear mode, so it looks more like an Instagram style, TikTok style instead of 16:9. Otherwise, this is what I use when I am doing my video. So you won't see the microphone in this because I'm not using it in a 360-degree field of view vlog. Now, if I'm doing that, I'll be using the invisible stick, and then I'll be using the Ulanzi accessory. So if I'm doing any type of 360 where I have the pole extended, then yes, you will not see the microphone in there because that's designed to sit flush sideways so the lens does not pick it up. Other than that, that's all that I have for that. So I just wanted to clear it with people so that people understand how that works, and that's everything. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. And again, if you're new to my channel, please think about hitting that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. I got some good things coming up this year. Looking forward to 2023. It's going to be a huge year. Got some more unboxings that I got going on, as well as some reviews. And I want to thank everybody for watching and subscribing. And my name is Black Appeal the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video.